Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Charlie. We're gonna go ahead and do a WRX short shifter install. I couldn't say that right now. Shifter. It's gonna be on my friend's WRX. We're gonna go ahead and drive to his house, and then maybe depending on the weather, how it is, hopefully it doesn't rain or anything, or rain too hard, we might go ahead and do an oil change for you guys and show you guys how to do it. I know for sure the WRX is way easier than compared to the Z, because the Z has like a under shroud or whatever, and it's like a million bolts just to get it out, and then the filter is like in the bottom and stuff. So go ahead and stick around, okay? Never gets old, man. Okay. Some traffic. Let's see how long it takes to get me there. I'm actually very surprised that the freeway is open in downtown right now. But I don't think it should take too long to get to my friend's house. So I'll see you guys there right now. Oh, Dave, they're already working on it without me. Okay, that's cool, man. What the hell? Hey Miguel, you dropped your makeup brush. What's up, bro?
Hello.
And you started working on the car without me?
Nah, I just got back right now.
Okay.
Getting the music going.
Hey, I'm already vlogging, so like look prettier, right?
Alright, I'm trying.
Alright, cool.
Camera okay.
You gotta say hi to them too. Hi. You too? Hi. Is this cook? Oh, this is cooking. I want another puppy, you guys. They made puppies last year, and then I ended up giving them away. I want one for me, and I don't care if my cat gets mad. You're gonna have to get along. All right? Oh. So the oil filter for the WRX is right there. The friend's WRX. It's pretty clean. It kind of looks like a lifted FJ Cruiser, but I'm just kidding, dude. I still kind of look like a lifted Cadillac myself, but I don't want to be too low. Alright, so what are we gonna do first?
Getting it lifted.
Alright, so got the car lifted up and stuff already. Put it on jack stands, and then the drain plug is right there. They made it pretty easy for him because he installed, what was it? The Miguel, you just like flip a switch for this one and the oil comes down, right? Oh, he can't hear me. But I think if this one, if I remember correctly, last time we installed it, we just had to like lift a small valve and oil just shoots out from there instead of unscrewing the whole thing. Which is pretty cool. I wonder if they have it for Z's. We're gonna do that for that one. We'll install one. Alright, so for the Rexes, I mean I already unscrewed it in the beginning, but I guess the K&N filters let you use like a wrench for it. We didn't have the right size, or I think we did. I think it was a 20, right?
The 20.
Yeah. And then, yeah. So, oh shit. There we go.
I'm scared, honestly. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going.
Very good. I think it comes in handy, dude.
Oh, fuck. Okay. Let that oil drain out. Get some in the middle there.
Yeah, it's under the laboratory.
Oh, there we go. Damn, that was quick.
Alright, well, what that's doing, just gotta find out more info on the short shifter. And then we're gonna use is it OEM filter?
OEM.
You can't beat that. Dope. Yeah. Alright, so for the new one, we just put a new oil filter on.
Oh.
Yeah,
Swipe
some
it.
little bit of rain got up in there. Just clean it too.
Ready, set, go.
I think you can actually use the tool for this one.
No, just hand tight, I guess.
Okay.
Come on, muscles.
Alright, it should be cool.
Nice. Alright.
This one just
Let me close the bottom.
put it, yeah.
See if the bottom's like stuck going pretty much to that.
Okay. I'll go ahead and top it off. So. Dude, I wasn't recording. My bad. I first started right now. But yeah, it's starting to rain harder. And then dude's just finishing up putting in oil. It's pretty much done. It's not that hard. I think it just depends on the cars because, like I said, my oil filter is in the bottom. It's way harder because there's like 10 million bolts to get the shroud out.
Oh yeah.
That was, dude, it took like what, like an hour and a half just to do mine?
Just
Yeah, that was
yeah.
a long time. But yeah.
Nice.
Should almost be done. It should be good to go. My screen's like all. Yeah. Did I put what was that thing? That spray called again?
Oh, Rain X?
Rain X on it. And then it's all like water-phobic. Dude's just checking oil. Is it looking good? Yeah.
Looking good.
Cool.
Looking clean.
You just gotta turn on the car and make sure it's cool now.
Let's check this out.
Oh,
I guess it's showing all the way up here, right? Can you see that? Can you see that?
I can't focus.
Because like, well, it shows 4 right there.
Yeah.
And then, but it doesn't go all the way up to the line like it should.
Yeah.
So I don't. Is that normal?
You want to keep? I mean.
I guess because it hasn't ran. So
Yeah.
It's just
Oh,
sitting there.
it's also up. It's lifted up a bit.
Oh, you're right.
So. It actually started to rain, so we might just do the oil change for today and save the short shifter for another day. Yeah, cause it's gonna take a while to do the short shifter, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, dude. So. No. I hope I don't get sick, cause I just gotta. You got the keys?
Ready? It's open.
Oh. See. Gotta make sure everything's cool. That rumble sounds good, man.
Sounded good. We are gonna do the short shifter install, and then we moved inside the garage instead since it started raining. So yeah, hold on, be right back.
All right, this is our mechanic blanket. This is the Hello Kitty blanket. Yeah, so it should be cool. It's pretty cute, bro.
Thank you.
Can't get over that.
Alright, so I'm gonna get a car now, and then you said we need to take off like what is this? I guess a shield or something? Yeah, to take it off so we can get to the it's like right on top of the drive shaft, pretty much, to put in the short shifter. Let's see if this fits. Oh, it does. Cool.
Almost off. It doesn't want to come up.
Oh, that's what you dig it off?
Oh, there we go.
Cool.
Off. Cool. And then there's something.
Yeah. And I think we gotta go to the top now, right? To take off like a million bolts from there.
Yeah. Actually, there's 4 more we gotta remove.
From here? Oh, I see them.
So,
Yeah, they're right there.
okay, so we got that.
Oh, yeah, we're just putting on like the last finishing cover of the thing. We're pretty much done. You said everything was fine, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Everything feels good.
Hand tightening this to make sure everything's in place. And everything will be cool. Oops, my bad. Well, everything's put on finally.
shield's on, and then the other cover's on top of the shaft. Raising.
Yeah, everything
Cool.
looks good.
All right.
We just gotta clean up.
At this point, we're finishing up now, and we just gotta put everything back. Feels pretty good. Yeah, dope. So now the short shifter is on, and we're just gonna move it so we can test out and see how it is. I think I'm actually gonna get first dibs on driving the Rex because I'm inside. I had to move it for him. So, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit! Passenger, put your seatbelt on, bro.
Oh, and the trunk's open, I think.
Oh, is it really? Oh. Hey, it feels solid, dude.
Yeah, you're feeling it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Make a left at the stop sign.
I left?
Yeah.
Okay. They don't stop.
They don't stop there.
Okay. Yeah, that feels coming in hot.
Gotcha, there's a dip right here. Follow that car. Follow. There's a dip right here.
Oh, I see. That feels pretty good. What's going on, man? The only thing is that it feels like a little bit harder to get into first.
Oh really?
Yeah.
It might be this thing right here. The parent shift stop. Watch it with the dip right here. This is where I've lost my lip. So.
Is it really?
Yeah, this is where I lost my lip going.
Oh, I
going
see
home.
it. Oh. It feels solid, man.
Yeah, throws are shorter.
Yeah,
Shift shorter.
Extra horsepower, bro.
Yeah.
Well, I went ahead and drove Miguel's WRX, and it's pretty impressive how a short shifter does a lot of difference with the gears and stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and drive home because it's already raining, and it's been on and off like that the whole day. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, alright? Peace.